Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to add and edit points in AutoCAD. So for that, it is very simple. You just have to do is write point, and then you just have to do is place the points wherever you want. So this is the point. So as you can see, this is a simple point that you can see from a naked eye. But what if you want a bigger point or you want a different kind of a point? So all you have to do is just write ddp, which is point type. So you just have to do is ddp and press enter, and then a window of how you want the point to be will pop up. So let's say we want a simple point. So this is generally the most standard point style used in architectural drawings or any kind of architectural drafting. So after that, what you have to do is you have to set the point size. So let's keep it 20%. So then press ok. Now if you do is so as you can see, now this the point will be 20% of your visible screen. So that's all, that's simple. And now if you write point, it will create the same kind of points. So as you can see, it has created the same kind of points. Point point enter, and just place the point wherever you want. So after placing it, also you can also scale the point as whatever size you want. So that's how simple it is to add and edit points in AutoCAD. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.